YouTube. We're going to update these kidney grills into some of these. Stay tuned.
Step one, we got to remove these two trims right here. Very easy. You need Torx. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once we get it off, we'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, 3 simple bolts. 1, 2, 3. This one pops out. And then this is the new one. Already has a little nuts in there. They literally just sit in place. And they bolt on. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, we just replaced the chrome with the black. As you guys can see, they've been installed. Now we're going to install these. Very simple. We just pull it out. You don't break anything. Next step, these just pop right in. Make sure that it's in their little slots. There you go. Next one. Pop it out. Make sure it's in your slots. Slides right in. Let's check it out.